Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to try to hit a 2-minute review on a camera bag that I bought from a gym apparel company. No, it doesn't make sense. Why would I do that? Why would I buy a gym apparel company camera bag? I don't know. I did. It looks good. It sounded good. And it felt good. So I did it. Anyways, boom. Here's the bag. Gymshark. If you haven't heard of it, Google it. It's a good brand. I like it. It looks good. It feels good. It sounds good. And so I did it. This sounds good. You want to know why? Because it's durable. It's quality material. I love it. Anyways, open up the main zipper. Camera bag. I told you it was. This is where the camera goes. It goes in this little sleeve. It's not that padded, but you know what? It does the job. These are. I could stand on this. I could belly flop on this and it would still stay strong because you want to know what? It's durable. If you see Gymshark material like this and if you see it branded on little things like that, you know it's quality. This Velcro right here, this is Spider-Man material, okay? This is how strong Spider-Man's webs are. That's how strong it is. It's not going anywhere. It's sticky. Anyway, zip the bag up. Boom. I could have accessed my camera on the outside. I love that. My old bag couldn't do that. I like it. Quick, boom. I'm shooting. Boom, Bob's your uncle. Anyway, zip this back up. When my AirPods around, boom, pull them out right in this little side pocket, this little sleeve. I have a pencil in it, not AirPods, but it's still, that's where I normally put them. This side, same thing. Put my wallet on this little pocket right here. Yep, perfect. Boom. Zip this up. Oh, you have a little tripod. You want a little tripod you want to use? Goes in this little thing. You can put a water bottle in it. I choose not. I put a little tripod in it. Clip it up with this, zip it tight, boom, Bob's your uncle. They even went so far as to put, no they didn't, that's on a different bag. But anyways, it has a little clip for back support. Look at that lumbar support. It's soft, it's padded, it feels good. I love it. There's a lot of things about bags I don't like. That bag I do like. It's not much, it costs very little. It looks good, sounds good, felt good. I did it, it works. Buy it if you want, drop the link in the description. Peace!